I'm Nicolò,
I'm Alessia.
and today we'll show you how to create a ring using resin and cement for jewelry.
All the materials you need are on site of persandco.com, and we need our epoxy resin, some jewelry cement is a new material also for us, and it is our first project. Parlo malissimo in inglese, I'm sorry. And we need some silver rings.
Needles!
Lo so.
A silicone mold.
Silicone mold. Ma non possiamo fare che tu presenti e io ti lo so.
And also some silver leaves. We'll use just a tiny bit, but you can find on the site on this size. You can use it for different projects. First of all, we have to mix our cement, and to do this we need a scale, an electronic scale, and you have to mix 5 parts of cement with 1 part of water. We'll use, we'll see, not too much because the mold is very small and we don't need a lot of cement. Okay, now our cement is ready. We just have to put it in the mold. Quite carefully, but it's not a problem if some drops go out, because when it's dry we can take them off easily. That's it. We just have to wait 24 hours to let it dry, and then we can go on with the project.
We started with sketches, and this is the ring, and this is the pendant. Is made from 2 parts, 1 part of cement and 1 with resin. And the idea is the idea of a winter field, and colors are the dark gray, matte gray of cement, and a shiny one made by these needles of silver, and the transparency of the resin, which is more shiny.
After 24 hours, we demolded our ring. It's perfect on a side. On the other side you have some extra materials, but we can polish it easily with some sandpaper. And our project is to cut it here, just above the ring hole. So we take this portion off and we'll put some resin instead of the cement. So now I cut it, I polish it a bit on the top, and we'll see you in some seconds. Okay, I cut and polish it, and we kept just the portion of the hole. Now with a small drill, voila, we'll make some holes to put the needles that we cut at different length to give an idea of movement, and we'll stick them in the holes with some glue, and we'll wait till it's dry to go on with the resin. We put all the needles on top of our ring. We stick them with just some drops of glue. Now we have to put it again in the mold, and then we'll mix the resin, and we'll put it in this portion of the ring.
The last thing to do is to put some silver leaves inside on the base of the ring, and we have to use two
small brushes
and this special glue, and you cut little pieces of these leaves and gently add in.
As usual for the epoxy resin, we have to mix 2 parts of this component, the component A, and 1 portion of the component B. I think I'll make 8 grams and 4 grams. It will be more than enough. Resin is ready. We just have to pour it slowly inside of the mold.
Boom.
Okay, now we wait 24 hours to let it dry, to let it cure. Well, we demolded it, and this is what we got. You will see it better in the picture we'll add to the video. And we like the final effect, and we hope you like it too. Thank you everybody for watching, and thank you Pers & Co. And see you next time. Bye!